Most of the time, I use text-to-speech tools for my videos like this one. The problem is, online text-to-speech or TTS tools only allow us to work on 2,000 characters per day. That won't work if you need to translate lengthy texts. Say no more. This tutorial will teach you a trick on how to have unlimited access to text-to-speech sites. Let's get started. First, prepare your script and copy the whole text. Then, open a private internet browser or go incognito. Next, search for the site Video TTS and go there. Paste your copied text. Check if you have consumed the entire 2,000 words limit. In my case, it was just right. In case it reached the cutoff and there are texts not included in this batch, you can still open another private browser and include the remaining texts in the next batch. Remember to always go incognito and will have unlimited chances. Then, choose your preferred voice or person. Here, I chose American English Mike Stevens. You can preview your project if you want. Lastly, you can download the project and it will be saved as an MP3 file. Go to the downloads in your computer to find your file. And it is now ready to go.
Oh my